Welcome to CEO Insights. I'm Marilyn de Guzman with INN. I'm speaking with Peter Schloo, President and CEO of Heritage Mining. Hi, Peter.
Hi, thanks for having us.
Yeah, good to have you. So I guess first question, why is Heritage Mining a compelling investment opportunity at this time?
Yeah, so that's a fantastic question, especially right now. We've had a fantastic week leading into PDAC. We've done a lot of work tightening up the true float, as I call it. So right now there's about 86% of the stock. I know where that is, or we do. So there's only 14% out there. So very, very tight. How I like to put that is like we're torqued to the upside once we start our 2024 exploration program. So that's from almost a shareholder or investor perspective. From a technical standpoint, we're poised for the next discovery in northwestern Ontario. Our belt has seen a significant amount of attention. We've been there for almost 2 years. Our property has the highest or the most amount of historical mineral occurrences. We have a team that has brought multiple projects from exploration through to production, and we're very boots on the ground, active, and mobilizing right now. So it's a very exciting time. Gold's doing very well, so it's I think it's going to be a very good year.
Yeah. So maybe to expound a little bit on that, you mentioned your team. I think investors are always interested to know, the people behind the company. Do you want to highlight some of those? Obviously yourself and some of the key people that are in your team.
Yeah. So we can start with the chairman, Patrick Moen. He was responsible or part of the team from a director level to the Trelawney sale to IM Gold for $585 million, as is Jim Fairburn. So there's, some high-powered local Ontario stories. That's the Cote mine. That's the next Ontario darling. We hope to be the next one. But that was all the way from exploration through to sale, which is fantastic. And then we have Ray Carvelis, who was the founding CEO and director of DRA Global. That's a mine building and consulting firm. He has multiple mine builds. So when we go and look at a property like the Drayton-Black, like our flagship, we look at is there mine potential? Is it close to infrastructure? And we tick all of the boxes. The access is fantastic to all of our targets. You could basically drill by the logging road. That was not the case in the early 1900s. They were cortaging in and flying planes in. So we really set up for success in that area, and it's a low capital cost to explore relative to other explorers. So we really make the dollar work there.
Mm-hmm. So you have two projects, the flagship Drayton, the Drayton-Black Lake and the Contact Bay. Could you provide an overview of these projects and why they are compelling?
Yeah, so the Drayton-Black Lake is our flagship property. We've optioned a large portion of that from Stillwater, and that is a gold, silver, and copper exploration project. It's about 15,000 hectares, 24 historical mineral occurrences on the property, both gold, silver. There is the mineralization style is orogenic low gold and base metals. What we've defined last year is we've extended to a total strike length of 1 kilometer long, 200 meters wide, and we've doubled the depth. That's in the Alcona area. And we're looking to work up other targets, Zone 3, Zone 10, and Split Lake, which we think are all connected in the same fluid pathways. So it's, very exciting, easy access for the most part. And then Contact Bay is copper, nickel, platinum, palladium. So that's northwestern Ontario, just south of Dryden, so about a 4-hour drive from Thunder Bay. Again, access is fantastic. Kinross has the package to the north of us. The plan there is we're working with Kinross right now from a permitting perspective to cut a trail in there and the best pathway to get in. And that's a past producer. It was very small. It's a few thousand ounces back in the 1900s. But again, very attractive, easy targets to drill. And we've had some mafic, ultramafic intrusions from a geophysical interp. We flew airborne EM and MAG. Previously, we've had a great interpretation on that. And we've identified 2 large bodies. And we've had, economic grade copper and nickel at surface. So we're looking forward to expanding that well. So we're in a great area. We're advancing. We're probably the most active in 2023 from an exploration perspective. So we have, a lot of news to come, and, the stock's looking really good. So
All right. So what's the exploration plans for 2024?
Yes, the exploration plan, right now we have 6 permits in. So last year we had drill permits in for 3 areas. So we have 6, and we're pushing forward 2 from last year. one didn't make the cut. So we have a total of 8. So we'll be doing, what the plan is ground IP, drilling, and then in between the areas of those permitted areas, we're doing some, grassroots, maybe some soils or some other exploration type piece, prospecting mapping to really connect the dots.
So we're here at PDAC in Toronto. What's the key message you have for investors attending here about heritage mining?
I would definitely take a look at our story. We've done a lot of work leading up to PDAC to make it, really torque to the upside. The beautiful thing about this market and why we're all here is not only to generate jobs, and it's a fantastic career, but you make the capital appreciation or the stock price appreciation happens very, very quick. And when you're with a team that is well set up and has experienced management with a fantastic property, you want to pay attention to that. You want to pay attention to it right now. So,
all right. Well, thanks, Peter, for coming and talking to me today.
Thank you. Thank you very much for having us.
And thanks, everyone, for watching. Join us again next time for another engaging conversation on CEO Insights. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. See you next time.